When is Stella gonna come? It's been forever. Don't worry, Chuck. It's gonna be okay. It's not up to me. What? Ugh, where am I? Huh? What's going on? Red? What is it? I was been asking, you want to be my boyfriend? Hang on, sister. He's my boyfriend. What? Look, the reason why I want to be his girlfriend, because I seen some fan art. So, what does fan art have to be? You know what? I just want to be Red's girlfriend. No, I'm already Red's girlfriend. Guys. That's going down. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, yes, I will. Take. You're gonna pay for that. Where's mine? That's it. Since you like Red so much, I'm just gonna finish you off. No, please. Don't do it. I'm gonna do this. Since that there's so many fan art that you and Red, instead of me and Red, I guess I'm just gonna finish you off, and then this whole thing will be over. Oh my god, you killed her! What? She was in love with you. Oh. Oh my god! Oh, it looks like one of those girly birds have been killed. I wonder why. I better go tell the boss.